Hello everyone, this is Dan from Tascode.com, and in this video I'm gonna do a quick demo on the latest version 6.1 and what's inside of it. The main feature is the customer search. It has been requested by some people, and here you go. We have it now. So what's the customer search is, I name it customer search, but you can name it the way you want. So your customers that actually purchase any raffle tickets can have a look and check the raffle tickets after they bought it, like based on the order ID or the email or first name or last name. Okay, so in this example, we can have only the order ID and email. Okay, so I already put as a demo I made I put on an order and I got the order ID 133 in my email. So if I click on search, it's going to give me the raffle tickets for that order. Okay, so it's displaying here, same as it is. It's not going to display any first name, last names, or anything like that. It doesn't give away any information from the order. It's only giving away the raffle tickets. Here is going to display the order ID, the raffle tickets, and everything else. So how can we achieve that? We simply have to go into um, our Raffle plugin, and in the general settings down here below on this tab we have customer search tickets. Okay, so we can set here we can set how the customer is going to look for the raffle tickets. It's going to be based on email and order ID, the way we have right now. But you can also enforce to have first name and last name. Okay, so I don't recommend to have only the email. So in case someone's gonna know your email, they can look up your raffle tickets. Okay, so you have a friend or anything like that. So I recommend to have at least these two. Okay, email and order ID. Okay. And then you can use first name and last name. So let's put an example. So the next thing that we want to do, if no raffle tickets are displayed, we can put this message. You can customize it the way you like. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say custom here, and that's gonna be put into the shortcode. So once we have the shortcode, uh, we have to give an ID, a unique ID, as a number or anything like that. And I'm gonna leave it as 11. And then I'm going to, because if you have multiple shortcodes in different pages, you need to have unique ID. Okay, so you can put a different ID here and then copy shortcode, and it's gonna copy it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to a page, any page that I want. I don't have to save anything in the Raffle plugin. So I'm gonna go customer search, edit, and in here I am going to delete this and put this on. So it says search by order ID, email, first name, last name. Update, and that's gonna be it. So if I go back to my page here and I'm gonna refresh it, yeah, so I have order ID, email, first name. Okay, so I have to search by all of them. If I go search, this thing is gonna pop down here. I can show you how to customize it the way you want. So I can say 133 developer at hasco.com done gh, I think. Yeah, so here you go. If I put anything that is not corresponding to my name, it's not going to display anything. All right, so we have custom no raffle tickets found on this search. Okay, so the way we wanted it. If I put uppercase, it's gonna work with uppercase as well. So it's case insensitive. Okay, so your name or the email, I can put com here as such, and it's gonna be displayed. If I change this to, okay, so that's gonna be the customer search. A lot of people ask for it, so here you go, here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. So next thing is, what if you want to change some of this part here? You don't want the name of order ID, email, or anything like that, or you want to customize this part here. Okay, I didn't do much with it because you guys gonna be like, oh, I don't like this one or I think it's the other one. So you can actually customize the way you want. Is gonna be a template. So the way you can do it, you have to create as always, a child theme. Okay, a lot of you are very familiar with child themes. Okay, so you can use a plugin to create a child theme. This is what I do. So I created a child theme for Divi. Okay, I use Divi from time to time. But you can use your own template. You don't have to use Divi or anything like that. So you create a child theme, and then inside that child theme, right? I go themes, child theme, and inside here, right? What is what I have to do? You have to. I'll show you right now. So I'm gonna drag this here, and I have the templates. The template is called customer underscore search.php. Okay, so I go out of here at the top, and I have the instructions, and it says, copy this file and place it into your child theme, WooCommerce. So I'm gonna create a folder called new folder Woo- Woo- WooCommerce, and then in that folder, I'm gonna create another folder called templates. No, includes. Oops. Includes. And then inside this one, I'm gonna say new folder templates. All right. So inside there, I'm going to a copy, and then what is paste? Oh no, I can't. Oh, I can't. Ooh, copy and paste it. So never ever change the templates in the plugin, because whenever I'm gonna do a new release, it's gonna override it. So what I have to do here, I'm going to open it with Notepad. No, okay. So in here you can actually change. Here at the top there are the labels. I made an array for everyone to check. This is the array that you want to change. Okay. Uh, you can do something like so. So you can say custom order ID. Okay, and then I'm gonna comment out this one. Should I actually change it here? No, I'm not gonna change. Should I change it here? Pa, 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 pa. Just give me a moment. I don't quite like it. Wait, wait. Yeah, let's use the let's use Visual Studio Code, and then I'm gonna comma here, and this one is gonna show up customer order ID. So let's see if we did it properly or not. Okay, we go back here. We go here, and here you go. Customer order ID. Just because I changed that label in there, right? But first I have to put it into that folder, right? So remember, this is in my child team. Okay, I'm not changing it in here. Never ever. Okay. So you can change email or anything like that, or I don't know. Let's say email address. All right. When the required, you can say like required. All right. So let's go back to here. Search. I'm gonna refresh it. I'll say yeah. So here you go. Customer ID required, email address required, and all that kind of stuff. Or you can change the search. Pp pop up required button search, and then uh, find your raffle tickets now. Save it. Oopsie dozy. Go back. Refresh it, and here you go. Okay, or you can style your button or anything like that. Okay, so you can put your you can put your CSS in here or anything like that. Please don't touch anything of the code in here. If you touch the code, it's gonna break. So excuse me, please don't do that. uh the CSS and everything in here, or you can put classes or anything like that in the HTML. If you're gonna break it, you can go back to the templates and copy it back into your uh, copy it back in here, So if you break it, there is no problem. You go back into the plugin, go into the templates, customer search, copy back in here. So yeah, this is how it is. This is how it works. It's pretty simple. Um, yeah, I'm not quite sure if I should add anything in here. Let me think, let me think. Yeah, so you can customize this part, you can customize the labels, you can go in there and customize your CSS styling or anything like that, the button as well, this part as well, you can customize it. Um, I'm not quite sure if I should add anything else. So yeah, this is pretty much it on this version. There is a bit of optimization of the code when the raffle tickets are inserted. So yeah, I hope you guys can enjoy it. It's pretty simple to set it up. So yeah, good luck and see you guys next time. Ciao.